Economic and Organized Crime Office any Bureau of National Intelligence BNI said ye amane bobeto dwase na wotwe atwa mu no omo bo modern achi enkrofo enan bi ya power distribution services no omo kan PDS na womo ensa womo bigigi sika best 850 million Ghana cedis a pai fan kwantanan PDS ebaye ena so menya de si yakura me nipa bi kura ye dey ewuye ewo so menya PDS baye no ye bisa questions se honorable Mr. Adorye mo abreso na PDS baye ni epesi ehu se hifo na PDS wo mo hyase Mr. Adorye.
Oh, sir, edin ya bebe die. Osha, I should tell you, me enra na me kanu baby say PDS no akwakoye BBT say create loot and share.
Yeah.
So on no because we din apart from edin bi ewo so ye broniu VRAJ me name say radio say Vrajo me name
names na ewo no.
But aside that Philip Ayensu the board chairman Anna Miami Nuaba
Sofia
Koko oye chese obi a me penasempa no ho akwa kodisi asemu imu Aremeyaw pa
na so
wo hwe menka premu former Kennedy Deputy Minister of Justice ana some crofo nyina edewum na you see board chairman no free by you no nim no
Philip Ayensu
onim no
ono ye dey
ono ene ye Akufo Addo ne personal baba
just so mama ye say
me say Philip Ayensu eye Akufo Addo ne personal baba enye tro
ne personal baba
ye TV so ni petie
we are talking about Ghana energy sector here ye tea company privatization the ma PDS o so kasa about President Baba
me say Philip Ayensu eye Akufo Addo ne personal baba me nim Philip Ayensu so ye Akufo Addo enyende o ti ase ono ane da so yi no eti se baba na ye beye no board chairman of PDS a je say Ghana electricity gina ye de akwakoshe omunsa na there is a problem o ti ase there is a problem, huge problem where ebia na Philip Ayensu eye ye gase bia oye baba ntino ebia na onye nimdifo in fact me share that name the background ebia na chese wako squad group bi obetima yese but the connection say president personal baba ni etimi appointed ne say ono na ye board chair of ye the Ghana electricity company nyina ahye omonsa are you serious? You see, Sadewe, Ebaye no. And yes, okay. Sir, PDS in Sensemina, Bawumia was leading.
On a facilitative
Bawumia, one man crophobia, you sooner machese. And ya do be president to from home. Crofo, you sooner, Akeleno, or Tese, or Makelun, or mine condemn. So on it, no mo yes ade we gina no mo yes okay ade mo fa bank guarantee mra because asset here di sha mo nzai there enye adeketwa ano mo kokko ya so it was Bawumia who agreed said they should change it from bank guarantee to insurance guarantee there is easy to get and no crown so no that's akwa fictitious obi obeka say president the who ye no raise alarm bia oboa the then minister for energy Peter Abewu ado who ade no obra alarm na no ya nyina mfiri energy ministry ani ade no kokko share railway eze go sia wo ya wo ba be yi to kone kokko share railway ana omulo so city no so on eti no eti wo hwe the whole thing na Kese, akwako yes scam.
Wow.
Look, PDS buy sika omujiji ye nyina no. Because omuba ya immediately ya change bank accounts, ya change signatories. Bibia.
President Baba no awoka no ni.
Yes.
Ayensu no ni.
Nine. Ono ane yi no. So ne
personal baba ya chese wo unity.
Onye mini. Friend people dey be anabiza.
Na president no, but I am one say President Baba. Now we are talking about Ghana.
Yeah.
National ECGO. Now for you say your privatization. Now President Baba and a board chairman.
What's your composition of your kind of PDS and Kasa or more ayini there? So we know. Eti Sammy we na Akoto. Now is he NPP on? Every other make a job. Mrs. Emranti and Mabado Mugu Facebook. Or Mutu Ayampiano. Or more than the programs are more bumping for no. So everyone must say, oh, Obiko train now. Where ye NDC form one who fuka. Mobile Ajimamanu, the other Motimaya, that week and I say, hey, my friend Bra. The case has started. Moka, Ephobia, and a doom so, and I say, and why is okay. And yes, someone pick you or Mokeke just to pick them and then divert attention. Huh? Mako arbitration. Mako court. I guess okay, 850 million Ghana cedis or dollars at the account to them. Eti, mo hold on. Ye dear 7 year, baby ebekono. Na fe ya how to go about the money. Ye dear 7 year Ghana ira.
Sikanasa.
Sikana account to. And you think the state should just sit down and look on? Me every bia make me say I am me say Matisse president catch chief of staff say onhwe na sa oral cases you know at least specialized court wo mu bedi ho ayi no wo mu ni because look I get very important I get very important to say look 850 million. Hey, do you know what this money can do in this country? So you know na nkofache na kwakoshe obubotom ade no mane na ho ye di asem ni wi a ni ahwese de beye ye di asem ni wi ya sika na tu ayira then ya ye di ni eti honom ni ye hwe no eti esese gada ni bia ma ne neso ni ye make sure say some of these things esese ye ende ye be ende ye den ege kwanya ye be fa so ede omu be ko court be di asem na fe ye hu say asem we di odifo ni edi kan Sanko fe abubo mudinyi na obia wajapadi okroma.
Na Verad fati osamano oye Ghana ni anaso oye die ni.
Ohwe di ni de ase oye broni hu. Na sade no omo ya no makope broni pete bi no omo de na ba be fronto. Wo hu de tie no. E o sa no omo ye no. Oba be ye de na fa. Oba kope broni pete bi se o bra. O na odi animu a wo ye. So hu de tie no. Aha nti broni ni ka hu de na je sa kwakọ ese
Ghana ni agye di broni wo bi. But Mr. Adorye, ti said you kan PDS nsense ya ni be hu na no time ana wo mu no. Ene ma na President Akufo Addo ne appointees no mo ye no. Na omo dwen say power emfiri omo nsada na.
Eno ne asem no. What you say? Because they were power drunk to the point say omo fi say just a power and sanda. Wa hone ete no. Ke because me chira Akufo Addo. Wa be president. Me say president. So what depending on security briefings in you fail.
Okay.
Get your eye and your ears on the ground. Fafu soldiers ni bi. Omo no ewurawuram, omo hwehwea. Omo de no omo de be braw no. No wa compare to the security briefing and see. Say dey sit here. One was original and also no shake me. Was it the loudest a year media mano? What do you know? One fanya juma. One fanya juma. More quiet election. Bibia chese Owusu security briefing say oh more wene. Do a jedi.
Adiens Bibia so dead say Owusu.
Bibia so dead say Owusu. Enti President Mahama utia mawu ear and then your eye should be on the ground. Get some selected foot soldiers across the region. 1 or 2. No more do almost want to ho or pick information no aseni amount. And no ever mount concrete Yanka say security briefings you know enye papa. But times a bit Bediatuo. Yeah. obi on masam na se o catch president straight o hwe na nim no catch say no osuro say bia na ya je na dwuma free ni sam eti won timi nka
o me ka no crunch no
so on dey no eti these are some of the things eti PDS ne dey me eye me dey say ye frɛ wo mo emra ne dey say ye chewa oni fo koko si say court be ka se wadi fo but ni enim ni say sika bi the account no mayira
but usu say nipa for no na ya chomo no
enyo munkwa look what the over home for BPP
okay
look let me say this 2023 and early 2023 Anna President Mahamadu then opposition leader no Pan Africa TV it workers no see PDS no wanya audio bi do Gabby nya government official but onya to be obe prosecute no because of the audio and no mo che ye can say shares as Sammy nya say as say we nya say ni ne ka ho the audio is there it wo ye yina na me send link do edema Gabby sa no mo ye program or international conference center and was sending message so program won't me entie na dey as me say president Mahamadu so be prosecute Zabe makaja say me need entro bia so messages no nyina wo be phone so betima yi agiro and was okay I will handle it. What I say during the controversies surrounding the e-levy Gabby called President Mahamadu so guy
okonifie
and they say Kwaku hunu na yi levi na de we dey men gofeda
okonifie ampa yi levi hu se Gabby ni
men gofeda so dey je no enti ade ne de look NPP mranche ni ayi mo benya botre na mo pemu leaders ni yi a mo nye kom
because ochi border
because mo start say we provoke aban will act na mo aka say mo dim say mo mpeni for no mo lutu this state
but I was say no
mo lutu the state
I was aban twen say NPP for provoke wo mo enipa no wo in opposition
no they are working but if you are no a o man sound say as if say they are not doing anything on it na o mo awoso mo
ye PM wo hu say
no mo awoso mo gagra ene o te say obi aka say me area ya dum light biom wote
okay enti video ni be ready ba asuna ba brem ye ba be board president de wo kan Mr.
That's right
yeah okay ba be board ba asuna ba brem video ni ye ready
with the PDS scandal no you see PDS ne koye energy honsen some kakra e ma yan kra draft for kra bi kan yen eno ne wan Ghana city esla na the council in because you say e ka ba be da energy sector no now as we had this particular deal you could see clear say the entire idea ni nyina a crime scene because 2019 March ana PDS for budgets are concession for about 25 years
20 years
yeah, within 20 to 20 years.
Yeah,
and then in somewhere around July, I don't know figure out who is a no. In somewhere now, I'm okay kind of crap because financial muscles, no.
Oh,
about what I said, who said a chrono on number ball, man. You see, Minka Oma na Bibiani afraid Urajo Mama so act. Lemon, my lawyer penny, a year Ura Dominic Ayene, on the deputy Ura Justice Samsrai. Say very fine gentleman or Numrani. And some ways you almost said so. Omo modern. Now, Woma, Oma do money 850 million Ghana cedi. About almost $190 million assembly I know. And this Kakitu, mood do ye. Jima Mana, things a bit to me. Abwa, I'm a Canada deal. Energy sector, how do my nano? Etra 1 cedi. Edato petrol says draft for Yentriana, Yanfankle energy debt no. A bit in your bois, I'm a headache, I wait to one. Say, Uncle Ban, sir, near Janko way. That's what I'm going to qua. Down and in now, no, of course, I lie because of Obia Bomano Chrono, and tea, your more than any scam or mano. Oh, of course, I like Koto Abano. The next election will be too known for. And this is what we are telling a year the Attorney General, Ura, a year Dominic Ayene. They were part of Mama, they bet me I can appointees, you know, Sabi unko ntimi nya adwuma na wa appoint o say obi anko various sector anko adwuma nti dio ha na body board form a adwuma edama no ntimi nya no no was son we are very simple what I say me expect already mama say onko di PDS file enje ni botom no for francofo engele om dabi o da adwuma na mo bi aban lawyer penny so onya adwuma no enu nti say wo lawyer no ntimi anya adwuma na the best no be an say obese someone nipo wit my adwuma na be so because sika na e kan wasem no me ni aba enye sika ketwa and edi omububo boy me nya so say what do we ni bi adi wo na mo me ate ababafo ni
na baba no so yampo because Philip Ayensu no owner of the luxury barber shop X-Man located at East Legon where say oye Gabby otchere darko neighbor ewo East Legon I just want no eneti ben aha enti de awoka no luxury barber shop wono na chese ye ne dia na na nkrofo eni ma no mo ye hidie na no wadi
but this are tie charge Agyarko he no fufu so nam ene appoint na no kwen egusu e odi a wa relax
that's why yes ka free
otwe fa na bo na ye na tie ha ye bra ye ti enti emra no should work
okay
semna ni adwuma Ghana ni bia ni aban ni bia ni problem because whether you like it or not o man e koso enti one of my boy man krono no and energy sector no ana say metimi achiom me age o man sika ma na atin se be boa mo man na ye dey afọ ntuma pa frame ni aba
ana ade no Mr. Adorye dey wo ka no utimi hu say o mo orchestrate bia o mo plan bibia in opposition in a way say okay em say japade ewom say state notice say Ghana water ECG no ni ade no by the time mo Ghana fo be wie no na bibia be ye wo mo dia enti o mo create ano apenkofo do mo agi asha no enti anya we yabo baba na hwan ni abo we but at the end of the day sika na generate revenue never no ye divert say ya na kogu wo account.
That's right. Eti
video na you ready president mama video na you ready afama me okay.
We investigate PDS, especially when you could. It's obvious that persons very close to the president, related to the president, were involved in structuring the PDS deal, and we've heard audio of them in telephone conversations, you know, talking about the shareholding and all that. We've all heard it. I mean, so there's enough evidence to investigate PDS, and the people of Ghana need to know what happened, because this was a situation in which the assets of a state-owned company were being handed over to a private company. As I speak today, for the period that PDS collected money when they were running the ECG, that money that runs in billions of Ghana cedis has not been accounted for. I mean, people cannot just pocket state monies and just walk away free with it. The people of Ghana deserve to know what happened in PDS. Japan is unfolding the same thing. The money laundering laws do not allow us, even as individuals, to hide our money in tax havens. So if even as individuals we're not allowed to hide our money in tax havens, why will government of Ghana mortgage our gold royalties to a private company in which we have 51% shares? Some shady individuals we don't know have taken 49% shares. On what basis did they take those shares? And they've gone to register in Jersey, an offshore tax haven, so that they hide the identity of the shareholders. Government of Ghana, even though the royalties are ours, cannot control that company. Meanwhile, we have vehicles we can use here. We have the Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund. If you assigned the royalties, our gold royalties, to the Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund, which is a 100% controlled Ghanaian entity, it can do exactly the same thing that you want Japan to do. Japan is a very shady deal, and I'm saying if I become president, I will not respect that agreement. It is a theft of Ghanaians, you know, royalties, and it is made to benefit just a few people. Ghanaians cannot accept this. We won't accept that agreement. We do not accept that government of Ghana should invest our royalties in an offshore tax haven. Let them invest it in a company that is transparent. We can see the beneficial owners of who the company are, and in the best case scenario, use a government of Ghana vehicle. Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund is supposed to be our sovereign wealth fund. if you assign our gold royalties to it, the Ghana infrastructure.
Unim, ya can say ya bedrin 850 million Ghana cedis paira. Answer 2016, President Mahama Mekai oko UN Assembly meeting be. Na on the finance minister said Tepe. And then foreign affairs minister Madam Hannah Tete. And umoko signing Millennium Challenge Compact. And now my escape was around I think $500 million. Ye be invest in energy sector. And before I scan bebano, now it was a privatization. But omukwa sign ye no ono na kwenti fineja na buy coin. That's right. Send ye be ya omu benye sika na ba no. 500 million so umbecha in trenches and I just omukwa PDS. And then because of PDS agreement to omu be ye nsunti no sika no so ebo ye.
That's right.
Okay, say US speaker Nancy Pelosi bagana ha. Ehonu na kwadu oponkroma issue statement bi anajo PDS who says some scandals ne niema ahodo pi. It is you can say we say we are talking about the only friend say 850 PDS amaye lose sika millions of dollars.
Asama na president you can say masane certificate bi ama you can say producer
Godwin, okay.
Obetima project here. Once no worker say your gold royalties. Komo de ma
Agyapa, yeah.
Me person projected certificate no me ma Ghana for hu bibi. No mu say ye kasa out of vacuum. Ye dim ye yeka. So on dey no. Na wo hwe say enye Nyankopon de ya dom. And at that time minority NDC minority sorry gigi. Akufo Addo said they should hold on with it. And then come implement here. Ish. And then go da yenye na nkeko. Me pese o project ya de na me cancel bi wo. Na Ghana fo a o mo hweye no o mo ti bibia se. O je ka cha kra wo ka na ayi nyamebo a ye wo May mo ho. May 13th. Say o mo de ma Akoto on Agyapade nti May 13th ni ye hya se.
Omono wochum homans Agyapade na eba book na eba.
Eti ye hya se 13 but no de mo bia nsuro. Ma put up me defense any ade. Enti no mo bia nsuro ye be koso. Naka me pewe no na me dia cancel me.
Oh ebeba.
Send ye be ya Ghana for be how they orchestrated the whole thing. How few people na komo pese Ghana bibia kokodi wo mo ensem any ade. Nanka nyeti a edin sesan ye ede ba Agyapade no nanka ma kire. Nanka ma kire. So on dey no. Enti Ghana ha de look be say na say me na me catch am for say what I know about NPP. Me nyankan ye. Ya na me kan menkan bia at appropriate time. Some ya me catch omo.
And I say omo started their party ni ubegunu o. We kura so won kan.
Provocation omo ye na me twa ni nyina to ho. Udi matter no matwa to ho. Ye no matwa to ho. Because me bie good.
Okay.
Wa project am me pacho ubetima kan ama me anka be me de.
Me hu.
Okay, we there. Me meet my can free me phone so Ghana for e hwe de me sure say wo mo be hu. Wo hwa de na JC Financial Services Commission.
Okay.
Company registration. Companies JC law 1991. That is UK Assembly again.
Okay.
Certificate of incorporation. Change of name of a limited company. Registration number 130211. That is, I hereby certify that Asare Royalties Limited, a private company incorporated under the company's JC Law 1991, as amended, having changed its name by special resolution, has today been entered on the register of companies incorporated in Jersey as a private company having the name of Agyapong Royalties Limited. Date 10th August 2020. Now, offer Agyapade book na. Agyapade book was revised in June 2020.
Okay. Okay.
Na me chiro bibi. Wahu asase royalties. Ye ka asase a bie wadwene mu.
Se eye wo mu
ase. No, we bie wadwene.
Eye wo mai.
Company be na we.
And I make say ase aye wo mu.
Forget about this one.
Enu na madwen si ho no mo.
Aheba.
Se eye wo mu a.
Oh, no. Apart from asase asase land, we ye jai no to.
Se asase land ya some
NPP circles, ye ka asase a dey about.
Enya asase land nso asem na me so make kan. Wo mu nso asem asase nso na me so make kan. Eti na say aye wo mu eyi ti say bia ti say media general. Wo mu edin o mu dia.
Eti what can media general? Afi dey na say about you. Radio very about you.
It's Adorye.
So the channel. So obi akwa obi the radio, as I see radio, yes e be confirm radio, no na mo change din.
E dey buy Japan. Okay.
So the channel.
Okay.
Eti look. Yeah, ensani bi oho no mu a ye kan yenzuro.
Yeah, because
me obi frame me. Ne me kasa ye, ne wo ye no me record no pepepe, ma save no tight. Opo me challenge me, be bobo obi atie.
Agyapong first version he can by before 2020 election.
That's right.
And
first version was 2015-2016.
First version. And we pay no say no more aben mo.
Edin ne dia asase. Tie. Me say mo nim ne e koso.
And we another topic here.
That's right.
Edafofro.
So on there no. Eti when there look, me ye betima ka ho asem, and ye betima ka ho asem kina. But edin bi wo ho ana memmo. Wo ho ne tie no. But e ho asem there ye betima ka. Ye pese Ghana fo hu ne e koso wo Ghana. Now for the next 30 years, MPP should not come close to power. They should not. Okay? And now
but 30 years, so you one party a you Ghana.
Now the United Party, you know. And this is United Party back. What I say? United Party, and yeah, back. Now, remember, they are bringing who is there? Who is there? People don't understand us. Ye three. And ye babepo. Ye gina ye face ye ho. Ye penny or ye champion. The share asunaba said the mood doing obetima boye mi no. One de no. Enti no me strategy ni say me ba beka ho. Ni abono. Ye bonu wi a na fe ye to two baby kra. Enu sa ja no abre. Enti metima face wa bo. What you say?
Okay.
Look, me Obiana, NDC ni I don't care. Obiana himself is United Party. Me the national organizer for the party. I am Kano, director of field operations. Ye need that so. Say one day after NDC no, ye be taking power in this country. Okay. But MPP there, as you see a Maganda ni bie who say they should not. Look, what are youth of this country? Na oko DMPP chair, sabe, na ni Nyankopon the chair wono. Unim.
But me pese end near court next topic. Oka MPP a. Enye said ye kan na koye sabusuakuo bi, ene benya opportunity. And no mu take or man for granted. And to be no mu ye bia na ekọ in favor of that abusuakuo nti say MPP timi to mu ne ma yie. Na je say abusuakuo no efiri nchen ya say MPP ye MPP.
Abusuakuo no mo. No, maybe abusuakuo no mo.
Say President Akufo Addo bi okọ ena na do so bedi ye no so kọ. Enti say ye ku ye ni mu.
Ka je say na do kọ. Kana ga say no kire o. Na party no wo dey na obey without no. Dey. Mamunya mistake.
Okay.
Mamunya mistake gra. So on ete no. Hwe. Eya maybe can be person passion. American. Among for entiasi o. Obi o si o. Hope sin dey waye bitter. Yes. Bitterness dey. Nyankopon boka ya brabo. O dia say. Ana say obi ye obi bi na se wanye bitter na wonye nipa. What you say?
Yeah.
Because Oshe near Oye, and he said, Obia you are. Look, I am man for radio so no more ditro. Oh, me, I'm not bit, I'm me nisatron. What you say? But Messuman go ditron to be so. Sadly, we are me mamma muhu kekeno. Do you know how I got it? Me catch her by your mama. What you say? And the key along. But I got it. Agyapong, do you know how it came out? Agyapong book alone was having a safe, dedicated safe. That's what you almost say.
And mo fetch the Korea. Hey, so do your bell.
Oh.
Okay, now next one, more video back on my nine fending como driver for idea. Honorable Kwame Agbodja governs Roads and Highways Minister. They say we are driver for Adamfo. Was a big push, almost 30 and 12 billion Ghana cedis. And on my invest, one dear Remu. Now, say contractors funny be. I say, yeah, I say na yes, it's a contract and the amabro for near the amabro for. What the Comagan and Ninsua? Kokwasa Jumaye, what is see, you know, and Yeme Pinua are dead. Yeah, when the contractors need be DSC any pa. But all the videos Nibia and can obey expect and ask and can say on terminating contract. No, what dear Juma will be. Na say Juma no ye 1 year na say wu so so terminate.
That's right.
Because who ye sector minister no say Juma no 1 year ni ya den no do no ni begu ase. Yeah. Ha, enti video ni ba kwa ye ready amacho mo mama ye ne ye mfendi nkomo wae. Na me nko asuna baso.
Sound.
No, you shouldn't have started. Job, you keep it. You're looking for new ones. And guess what? It is not only here you are not working. Majority of your portfolio, you are simply not working as expected. And somebody's got to tell you the truth. It's not right.
Please, with all due respect, contract is 24-month contract. We have just started works.
No, you shouldn't have started now. You should have started last year.
Yes, please.
So what do you mean by is the 24 months? You see, almost all your projects, you have failed to deliver on time. So when you say that the 24 months, so we should wait when the 24 months is due, then you can determine whether you are not. Because even on feeder road project, you are not delivering on time. Little project, feeder road, you are still in abeyance.
I want to apologize to you for how you are feeling. However,
how I'm feeling.
I want to assure you that this corridor will be delivered on time. Take my word.
Listen, I even hear this from the owner of your company on smaller projects, and that was still not done. 10 kilometers of feeder road, you still are not able. Oh, I'll finish by December. December is 5 months away. You still didn't finish on those projects. Somebody's going to tell you what you are doing is not right.
Approve the program. I mean, I can understand if you are only a month old.
Asuna baba memra also.
Yo, I'm say Ebano Minister Kwame Agbodja the American say in an assessor saying our sector honoma at least a boy. In fact, we follow Nipa. Now the only thing problem we can is as any team no do movie called virus, you know. I all comfort draw for ni bin kan ko. Because at the end of the day, anybody be doing one dance, because any be a kaba kofaso. You are any good. I was one in Central for ni bin bloggers ni nam. Now all conference draw for ni bin kan. Because you never fa kwano so dey. That you be doing one dance. Apart from that, no boy Ejuma pa de emiso yebi. Nenya nkwane ni deputy ora Alhassa Suhini. Madam for pa no. Emise Ejuma de omo bobi. Na be bia nwanwa kra ma ehu dwiri ye no. The express road no mo ye no.
Express highway. From
Ablikuma honom enclave de kwa Salaja Saman kese. De kwa Subua bebi ora ya be ma on the 16th. Oye na yin ade no. De kwa da etremu ade akwakopi Asante region no. I think we must commend ora Jomama ene ne mranche no mo bo adwuma yi. Na ya adwene say in a very short time no. Yenso be kwa pro e wuzi asrafo ana ye adwuma sa stretch no so a utimi say omo boy dwuma yie pa omo so say omo compensation omo saka no kromo anu mo che bi no bi akotena be bi na okeka ka bibi sa for na tin say omo ya soto omo ata eye kwan a atin say e ba ba ya agyenkwada ma oman Ghana whether
like to say ya sort omo out
well we be a chile kakra no some of them no
okay
say they have been sorted already
okay
and even say yan sort to krana this is a major project ebe bo my Ghana because ultimately to coin free in Kranza Okukumasi spending 8 hours cause we do bonsu ni ekopem kokko no na ka bi Ato form let's do traffic musa be 6 hours 7 hours se kana de na ma from Kranza Okukumasi fu en eze uto be ta ultimately to be 2,000 and 3,000 then nyame adom na waso ora mama dai papa se kwa bi nso wo hono ma ena no yebetimi ayesa kwan no ama pressure wo nsawom enclave wo no no se be yebetimi ahwan so atize a step in the right direction se Ghana fo nyina including the NPP any UP for say some dom support the support to papa no na etimi boa na ayesa kwan no retia commercial transport operators yami adom na se adom wi adom a yebekọ ho na emo bi anase support bi ase yeso de support sa particular project no yeso de be den e de ba ko support na enyuma na de etimi akọ no wano oti anu free on so a o hwe ba bi ti say farm place adoso e de ko achi am from a me no ka say big push in other Roma so mo de na me abegu ho no ma bridge no so nam do ma no kan e fi say sa kwa e ho na me free tiase
okay
na me free ho no na one major thing na o here road network na hu here kese pa no e ya from no because control dey see so no bu etimi say e bi a that was last 2 months na me call tiase na me do so na no be around 3 o'clock e jina ma park me ke jina si panto na say
wow
se panto ni be ban say ma e jina wa ma chi be 12 as omo wie panto so you can imagine me yere na me mana you can see the kind of from omo be kom na around 12 na ye twa nsu na ye dey e dey ko nsu na chine na ha adwene nti ye ti say urajo mama ne minister say omo be bridge ato e nsu no so no abe asem abe kromo order because from place never be the froba whereby na tadwene into ni a lot of farm products e dey froba cry nti na no say ye bridge na obi okodi dwa ho bia no anytime bia no obetime den akọ cause panto na watam epon eduru enwura okobe nan a okobe 4 trips a onko biom no apon but when bridge ni beda ho no ma obetime akọ ba anytime bia we den obese okoba uyi no so si nche a o hwa nsawom kwan a owura maripo ma wo so hwa tema motorway e de ko aplawo ene ne mpata so o hwa efrika so ko wini ba masa de betima kan se nyankopon hira ora do mama ye akwa adrofo no na ontuni nkwenem na the sector minister ora govern Kwame Agboja on na be de chira sunini nyankopon emi o madu no mo ma hoden na the big push no omonko so wan push Ghana kwa do na infama because emi bi abetwa mu kono ye ka che ze ya ma 10,000 kilometers
10,000
13,000 just if we Ghana ha no ma ko ebia landing at the cost Australia me just mu wa yie but ewi akire ni yehu bebi akwan na oma ya to omo nko kire bebi akwan no wa na akwa akoye
udu anu he ya pokwase amasaman kora no apem
so atiase
ukwa akoduru kasoa anu ho ya no apem this is ye Ghana kwa
nyina na no kra bia ni but in this case the ultimate say there's a pictorial evidence there's a clear way chese abano ya kwan e wo mamu Ghana ha no ma some of us will to testify.
Okay, Mr. Adorye.
Yeah. The American in say Rose Minister or born homoding. Na big push no meso ebiaso meso. Microm achiavi for Yajabi.
Hey.
From about to achiavi. Just or mokate so that say last week no.
Okay.
Ebiaso yaso.
E faho.
Ora mama. Nyami Israel. We na omo for ye na me post to fryer no no be aba bechro hey say the oye ndisi ni kwan ko me krom na me bani agina ma post no e you be problem e you be problem so on yet no leti wo hwe se ne e kona me I like the boldness of the Rose Minister. What look? Yeah, catch your one man make it up. Who terminate the contract? Opa koko to be a person could be a song. Can there be more honso so? To the contract now also. Oh, muso. Look, near Mahama by a yenis or pese or the local contractors. And yes, Mamun disappointed. Mood disappointed. Then the next one is a and the foreign for number. No more. But it shouldn't be so. From Tama Yadeli Mense, ne, Juan Mo, every backroom had started see your bird, your local contractors, Cassandra, your big. Your queen, Gabianca, almost wait to make your Jumacra or Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire in your Kaika, Papa. So, Netian. Oshe motorway, send your call Mary Poma, Oshe, we send your all Yedena, and just small money. What would you do? Or Muvia, Sicano, Ewa Ghana here. So I go for Bruniba. 1 year no atam ne mfaso. One time cities in Fango. Obon says so was $100. And no anana ema yekomu ebu ewu kromasi. Onu ama loan di interest esi hu no. Onu ama contractor. That's right. Sika no yi ni nkaka na onu abefa wo labor labor. Na wo wi anu atam no de. Wo wi anu sika no de ba wasade na ade ko. Na wo sa etua. Eye very serious. Leti local contractors ni yesramu. Monjire mo ho na munya juma mamun disappointed na ene Wednesday Monday me share mind me call program anwumre ewo TVS waji ye po ye na mind bi ti abonten twem na okasem bi cheme in fact me interrogate no pa na I saw something say some of the contractors you know one say aban mo modwuma onhwe o political kala o de ni say we a contractor you have the capacity o betimaye contractors o mu ye adwuma nyina perception say we were ha na say we were ha no e wo ho and some are being engaged say o mu slow down mo mu nwe adwuma no before say president be wie ni term any ade yes who can among for say who make you wild allegation. And no na Rose Minister koya wo okika ho asemu baby I say as a time now wo no nka otima ye be 20% that time now onye 2% bra no onye 2%. So what is the purpose? What is the aim? Ya mamu mobilization how bet me dia yes 20% no etu ati sikadi akwa she wata so na wonam ho na ye kukwasa ba ku grade o mo se senyese Rose Minister no ba hokranger contractor no go ma ho. O ma ho krom. Etu what is o ba na no odi America. Anu odi machine situ a wo dwudwa yi. Me de I will comment Kwame Abuja say de what take stance say udi agra obek twam. O ka kire omo. Was over 5,000 contractors. Obi apadwuma ni bia ye. Na se aselete mo na se utia ye na se se wo ye. Na se udi agra obi o hod ma obetima ye. Ye betwam. Near the Abanipa no, Opa Kokot. Eti, I will commend them near Omoye no. Na express road ni there. Omunyan in term. Matis om the 20 weeks clear from Accra to Kumasi. And to Omu Krewe pa Matis om Masachichim into lots. I'm a contractor no. Omunye na papa non commission answer. Obekwa kwa humia, okwa humi. Okay? The time is coming. The time is coming. A man for Bob Mahamadu Bawumia. They didn't know about because of physical infrastructure. Factories are no assisi. Akoso modam. Motorway. Yeah. Say motorway ayirawo. Motorway Barber Mahamad legacy. What you say? O share expressway e Barber no. Eti nkwala na eba beba ni na we say oh Muhammad President Mahama so hu nete no aha eti offer the Nancy from no make sure say bibia betimi akoso fefefe. Thanks for watching. Like and share the video.
You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.